With JEE Advanced results expected in the next couple of days, and JOSAA Counselling set to start from October 16th, lot of anxiety among students and parents regarding what kind of IITs and what kind of branches they're likely to get. We all know IIT Bombay is the most coveted IIT. So in this video, we will take a quick look of the closing ranks last year, 2020, of the most important branches. So if you look at the most important branches or most preferred branches at the IITs, we have CSE, Electrical, Mechanical, and Civil. Last year's closing rank, 2020 at IIT Bombay, just to give you an idea as to what kind of ranks you should get to get into IIT Bombay in any of the branches. CSE, again in CSE you got two quotas. One is gender neutral, the other is female. Now gender neutral means anybody can apply, male and female. Whereas in the case of F, that is female, only female candidates. So in the case of gender neutral, CSE, the closing rank, open category, we are talking about open category, 66 was the closing rank last year, 248 in the case of females. Same thing in the case of electrical, open category, 298 was the closing rank for gender neutral, and 924 in the case of females. In the case of mechanical, the corresponding figures were 1129 and 3802. In the case of civil, 3388 and 7845. And in the case of EWS, economically weaker sections, 18 and 167, 87 and 73, 289 and 1302, 747 and 1725. In the case of OBC, the corresponding figures were 44, 338 for CSE, 240, 1005 for electrical, 768, 2367 for mechanical, 1645 and 3589 for civil. Definitely a huge advantage for females we see across categories. SC 29, 107, 183, 372. In the case of Mech, 386, 842. In the case of civil, 843, 1602. And in the case of STs, it is 13, let's go back, 1327, electrical 92, in the case of general neutral 91, female 304, 606, 156 and 244. So this was 2020 closing ranks for CSE, electrical, mechanical and civil category wise, open, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. You can take also a screenshot of this. Let's go on to the next question. I want to get into IIT Bombay, whatever be the branch. So what is the rank that I should be getting to get into IIT Bombay, irrespective of the branch? So let's look at that. Now the highest ranked seat category wise. So let's look at that. In the case of open general neutral, with a rank of 5976, you can still end up in IIT Bombay, provided you go for the 4-year BSc chemistry course. 4-year BSc chemistry course. In the case of open female, open category female quota, 10,859. So 10,859 female open category, you can still get into IIT Bombay with chemistry. BSc, 4-year BSc chemistry. EWS, gender neutral, also chemistry. And EWS female rank is 2988, the highest rank for which you get a seat in IIT Bombay. 2988, metallurgical engineering and material science, 5 years. All right. And OBC, gender neutral, 3728, chemistry. OBC female, 6261, environmental science and engineering, 5 years, 6261. So 6261 OBC female can still get into IIT Bombay. SC general neutral, it's chemistry again, 2080. SC female, 2677, chemistry again. ST general, 901, energy engineering with M.Tech in energy systems engineering. This is a 5-year course. This is a 5-year dual degree B.Tech M.Tech program. This is also a 5-year dual degree B.Tech M.Tech program. This is also a 5-year dual degree M.Tech, B.Tech M.Tech program. And then in the case of ST female, it is 923P. Now, what is this 923P? There is something known as a preparatory program. In the case of SCs and STs, if you get that P, it means that you should clear the preparatory program to get admission into this particular seat, in this particular course. So 923P, ST female, environmental science and engineering, 5 years, that is a dual degree B.Tech M.Tech program. So this is just to give you an idea. What is the rank that you should get? What is the minimum rank that you should get if you want to get into IIT Bombay? You're desperate to get into IIT Bombay. This is what you should be getting. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. All right. So ultimately, your decision to choose a particular choice in terms of either institute or rank will be based on the kind of career options that you would like to plan post B.Tech. We will discuss this in a detailed video once the JOSAA counseling is announced, because you need to decide on what basis you can select an institute and branch, because it's always a branch plus institute combination. And how do you decide on that? That particular thing we will discuss in a separate video. But for now, we have for IIT Bombay closing ranks. We will also have similarly in the next couple of days the closing rank figures for the other top IITs. All right. So till that time, all the best.